recording or taking pictures?
Recording.
Get that wheel. Get that wheel. He's a silly little baby, ain't you?
Brandon,
What?
you have to share.
You have to share.
Share what?
Share with the baby. Share with the baby.
I am sure.
He looks like he's gonna try and jump out of that thing to get those.
What you doing? You being a silly baby? You get that wheel? You get that wheel? You get that wheel? I'm gonna get ya. Daddy's gonna get ya. How about them toes? I'll get them toes. You silly. You silly.
He's so excited.
Tickle, 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 tickle. What'd you do? What you doing? Get that belly button? Get your belly button?
How funny. He's almost getting too big for this.
I know. His head's gonna be bonking.
What you doing, son? Hey!
Beat a little boy.
You want that frog? You want the monkey? You want the birdie?
Daddy's gonna tickle you. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
How funny. He's 2 months and 3 weeks today. Every bit as big as
A bigger baby.
a 4-month-old.
A much bigger baby.
Ow, you big boy.